Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.9. Now, problem number 4. In triangle ABC, prove that sin B divided by sin C that is equal to small c minus small a into cos B whole divided by small b minus small a into cos C. For proving this result, you have to consider RHS. C minus A cos B divided by B minus A into cos C, that is equal to small c that is equal to 2r sin C minus small a that is equal to 2r sin A and cos B as it is whole divided by small b that is equal to 2r sin capital B minus small a that is equal to 2r sin capital A and cos C as it is. This one taken from sine formula, since from sine formula. Between these two you can take 2r as common, 2r into sin C minus sin A cos B whole divided by, here also you can take 2r as common, 2r into sin B minus sin A cos C. 2r get cancelled, that is equal to sin C right as it is minus, here sin A cos B you can apply the formula sin A cos B, or you can write sin A cos B that is equal to half into sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. That is a formula. The same A minus B here. So you write half into sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B divided by sin B right as it is minus same formula, but instead of B have to apply C, sin A cos C, here sin A cos B, B should be replaced by C, the same formula. So we will be getting half sin of A plus C plus sin of A minus C, that is equal to, here we have 2 is the LCM for the numerator as well as the denominator, so LCM is 2, therefore we will be getting 2 sin C minus half sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Even for the denominator, 2 is the LCM, so I will be getting 2 sin B minus half sin of A plus C plus sin of A minus C. After that you can cancel these two to get cancelled. Now bracket, we know that sum of 3 angles in a triangle that is equal to 180 degree. In triangle A plus B plus C, in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C that is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, A plus B that is equal to 180 minus C, A plus C that is equal to 180 minus B, A plus B that is equal to 180 minus C, A plus C that is equal to 180 minus B. So which implies 2 sin C right as it is, 2 sin C minus sine of this a plus b can be replaced by 180 minus c. According to this, 180 minus c plus sine of a minus b. This sine of a minus b as it is, divided by 2 sine b as it is, minus of sine of this a plus c can be replaced by 180 minus b plus sine of a minus c, sine of a minus c as it is. Now we have to simplify. That is equal to 2 sine c minus, for 180, here also 180, can go for that ASTC concept. Here we have 180 degrees, ASTC. For 180 degree sine becomes sine, angle is C. For 180 minus lies in second quadrant sine is positive, therefore it is positive, plus sine of a minus b whole divided by 2 sine b minus, once again for 180 sine becomes sine, angle b, 180 minus lies in second quadrant sine is positive, therefore it is positive, plus sine of a minus, close the bracket. That is equal to 2 sine c minus sine c, minus into plus minus sine of a minus b divided by 2 sine b minus sine b, minus into plus minus sine of a minus c. 2 sine c minus sine c, that is equal to sine c together, minus sine of a minus b divided by 2 sine b minus sine b, that is equal to sine b minus of sine of a minus c. Now c and b can be replaced by, in triangle ABC, we know that a plus b plus c, that is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore c alone equals 180 minus of a plus b, and b alone equals, b alone, that is equal to 180, a plus c comes right hand side, minus of a plus c. So sine c, that is equal to sine of, c can be replaced by 180 minus a plus b, 180 minus of a plus b. This minus sine of a minus b as it is, divided by sine of this b can be replaced by 180 minus of a plus c minus sine of a minus c. Once again AST is the concept of 180 sine becomes sine of a plus b. 180 minus lies in second quadrant, sine is positive, therefore it is positive, therefore sine of a plus b only, minus and sine of a minus b divided by, for 180 sine becomes sine, angle is a plus c, 180 minus, once again 180 minus lies in second quadrant sine is positive, since we have sine it is positive only, minus sine of a minus. Now you can apply it in between two trigonometry functions. We have minus sine, so we have to apply sine c minus sine d formula for both numerator as well as denominator. It should be considered as c, this is d, this is c, this one is d. Sine c minus sine d, that is equal to sine c minus sine d, that is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2. That is the formula. Now I am going to apply the formula. This is c, this one is d. 2 2 cos of, that is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2, that is a plus b plus a minus b by 2 into sine of c minus d, c that is a plus b minus of a minus b divided by 2 whole divided by, you have to apply the same formula, 2 cos of a plus c and a minus c. So a plus c plus a minus c by 2 sine of a plus c minus of a minus c divided by 2. Now we have to simplify. Before that we can cancel 2 get cancelled. Now we can eliminate the brackets, cos of a plus b plus a minus b divided by 2, that is equal to cos of a plus b plus a minus b divided by 2 sine of a plus b minus a plus b. So sine of a plus b minus a plus b by 2. By 2 whole divided by cos of a plus c plus a minus c by 2 sine of a plus c minus a, minus into minus plus c, a plus c, this is c, minus a plus c by 2. Now we can cancel that, plus b minus b plus a minus a plus c minus c plus a minus a cancelled. That is equal to cos a plus a 2a by 2, that is equal to a sine b plus b 2b by 2, that is equal to b divided by cos a plus a 2a by 2, that is equal to a sine c plus c 2c by 2, that is equal to c. Now the cos a get cancelled. What is the answer? Sin b by sin c. That is equal to LHS. Hence proved. Look at that LHS. Here it is. Sin b, that is equal to sin c. So problem number 4 is completed. Then I will be teaching the problem number 5 in the next video. Thank you, children.